Hi guys, in this video we continuously work on section 6-3 binomial radical expressions. So this is gonna be our last video before having a Zoom class, problem 4 and 5, okay? So please open your book to page 376, problem 4. So multiply binomial radical expressions. So at this time, we can use the FOIL method to multiply binomials that have radical expressions. Remember that the FOIL method ensures that you multiply each term of one binomial by each term of the other. Okay? So A, 4 plus 2 radical 2 times 5 plus 4 radical 2. Now what? Using the FOIL, so 4 times 5. Plus 4 times 4 radical 2. Now 2 radical 2 times 5. And then the last 2 radical 2 times 4 radical 2. Okay? Now 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4, 16 radical 2. 2 times 5, 10 radical 2. You have a 2 times 4 is 8 times radical 2 times radical 2, that become just 2. So 20 plus 16 radical 2 plus 10 radical 2 plus 8 times 2, 16. And simplify as combining like terms. 20 plus 16, 36 plus 26 radical 2. Can I go more? No, that's it. Because the 26 radical 2 is irrational number, so you cannot combine with the 36. Okay? Now, let's go on to question B. I have a 3 minus radical 7 times 5 plus radical 7. So apply FOIL method one more time. 3 times 5 plus 3 times radical 7. This time you have a minus here. Make sure you're having minus. Radical 7 times 5 minus radical 7 times radical 7. So 3 times 5, 15 plus 3 radical 7 minus 5 radical 7 minus 7 radical 7 is, the answer of radical 7 squared. So now combine like terms. 15 minus 7, which is 8, plus 3 minus 5 radical 7, which becomes negative 2 radical 7. That become minus 2 radical 7. Okay? Alright, I want you guys to got it 4 by yourself. Once you're done, please check your answer with me. Alright, got it 4. What's the product? 3 plus 2 radical 5 and 2 plus 4 radical 5. We apply the FOIL method. 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4 radical 5. And then 2 radical 5 times 2 plus 2 radical 5 times 4 radical 5. Okay? Now what? You are having 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 12 radical 5. 4 radical 5. And then 2 times 4 is 8, and radical 5 squared, that becomes just 5. So you are going to have 6 plus 12 radical 5 plus 4 radical 5 plus 8 times 5, 40. Now what do we have? 40 plus 6, which is a 46, plus 12 plus 4 radical 5, which becomes 16 radical 5. Alright? Alright, let's move on to the problem 5 right now on page 377. So problem 5. If we have a conjugate, what's gonna happen? So we are multiplying conjugate. And then, do you guys remember the formula? A plus B times of the, factoring. So you have a plus b times a minus b. How could you simplify that? A squared minus b squared. So look, 5 and 5, a and a. Radical 7, b and b, they have a minus in place. It's going to be exactly fit. So 5 squared minus radical 7 squared. 5 squared, 25. Radical 7 squared is 7, which is 18. That's the answer. Simple, right? Alright, please go on to the Got It 5 to complete these questions. After that, please check your answer together. Got It 5A. You have a 6 minus radical 12, 6 plus radical 12. Okay, that will be applicable. It will be, fitted into the multiplying conjugate. 6 squared minus radical 12 squared. 6 squared, 36 minus 12, which is 24. That's question A. Alright, question B. 3 plus radical 8 times 3 minus radical 8. A plus b times a minus b. A squared minus b squared. 9 minus 8, which is 1. Alright, I hope this video helped you understand. We're going to see in the Zoom class. So if you have any question, please let me know tomorrow. Bye.